Hey linsfoodies! Today's recipe is beef rendang, a curry fit for a king. Now this video has been requested so much over the years on my blog, and better late than never. Beef rendang or Rendang Daging as it's called in Malay and Indonesian. It's a curry with meltingly tender beef that's been slow cooked in a rich and highly spiced coconut gravy. It is a dish that's synonymous with festive occasions and celebrations. Originally from Indonesia, it goes back to the 15th century, where it had very humble beginnings. It was a way to cook down the tough buffalo meat. Now, if you don't want to hear my spiel, fast forward to that time you see down below and go straight to the cooking of the recipe. But for the rest of you, let's talk a little bit about beef rendang. Beef rendang, what makes it so special? To me, it is the combination of the spices and the aromatics used in cooking it. So we're talking about ginger, galangal, lemongrass, highly perfumed aromatics. And then there are the spices like coriander. Some people will add cumin, cinnamon. This curry is very dynamic. Like any much loved traditional curry, beef rendang knows as many versions as there are cooks in the region. Each family, each region is going to have its own recipe. Now there are some ingredients here that are going to be a little difficult to get. On my blog I call them pesky ingredients. Now for the full list of the ingredients and of course the recipe and method, click on that link above for the blog post, the description and explanation of everything. But very briefly, I just want to talk to you about the herbs we use in cooking beef rendang, which is why I've got these plants here. Now, traditionally in Singapore and Malaysia, the herb that we use in cooking beef rendang and that gives it that signature aroma is turmeric leaves. So turmeric as in that tuber that resembles ginger but is much thinner, is yellow in color and stains your skin and nails like crazy. So turmeric leaves are very, very easy to propagate provided the weather is warm enough, provided it's the right time of the year. Now here, as you can see, I've got the shoots just coming out. We're at the end of May here in the UK. And this was planted in March. So after 2 months, I've only just got these tiny little leaves. I have cut off some to cook the curry for this video. And in the next month, this is going to grow. And I'm going to get seriously large leaves like this picture on my blog. Take a look. Turmeric leaves have a touch of spicy fragrance. They're a little bit lemony and they cannot be replicated or substituted with anything else. So if you have access to fresh turmeric, hello online shopping, get some fresh turmeric, pot it up in a little bit of compost, and within 2 to 3 weeks you're going to start seeing shoots. In fact, these guys send up shoots just like fresh ginger send up shoots in your kitchen if you leave them for a couple of weeks. Now, if you can't get turmeric leaves or if you don't have them, chances are outside of Asia it's going to be a little bit difficult. The next best thing are your kaffir lime leaves. Double leaves, can't miss them. Kaffir lime are very, very common in Southeast Asian cooking. Kaffir lime leaves are very common in Southeast Asian cooking. Now they are not a substitute for your turmeric leaves, but they make a great alternative herb for beef rendang. So if you cannot get kaffir lime leaves either, then forget about it. You cook the curry, cook the beef rendang with the instructions in the recipe, and then you finish it off with a sprinkling of freshly chopped coriander leaves, or cilantro in American speak. So there you have it. Let's get cooking beef rendang, one of my favorite childhood dishes. And for the full post explanation of all the ingredients, hit that link right there. Let's go enjoy our beef rendang. Oh wait, if you like the recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes from Southeast Asia, from the Middle East, from Europe as well. I shall catch you guys later. Have a fabulous week.